Good morning, YouTube. Long time no see. Right now it's about a balmy, 8 or 9 above zero for once. It's not 20 below for the first day. Let's see how our old trusty Fords start. The other day I got it started, just didn't have enough battery to jump start it, and after I put the jumper cables on there, it started right up. Let's try her out. Right now I'm cycling the key to help bring fuel pressure up to the fuel rail, and to see if that would help too when I do this. Just let the starter have a break for a second. Almost there she goes. Not happy. Not when it's this cold. Okay, we'll quit revving her up. We'll let her sit here and run for a little while because it's freaking cold. And we can show you what we have going on for more projects. I kind of sure wish I would have taken some video of the stuff I've done earlier, but everything's been too hectic with life right now. Just haven't had time up till now. Let's go see what our new project is. This is the current vehicle that is the new project. It's an 02 Chrysler Town & Country. I know, everybody, it's not a Ford, but the price was right. Needed a transmission, needed some other love, and here she is. The Chrysler Town & Country with all the bells and whistles, except for heated seats. Surprise, surprise. Why Chrysler would leave out something like that is just mind-blowing. What I got to fix on here is I got two door locks that do not work. And I bet you're going, I bet you I know which ones you're talking about. And I bet you're right. It's the power sliding door locks. They don't want to pull up on their own sometimes. Just seems like they get stuck or bind up or something. That's what it seems like to me. I'm no expert on stuff like that. I just like to tear into it and work on it as I go. Also, we're going to be doing some brakes on it. And also, we're going to be trying getting rid of the belt squeak. I've made a first attempt at it. Replaced the idler pulley and the tensioner pulley. Quit for a couple days and came right back, so it's pretty apparent there's something else in there squeaking. I did replace the belt. So, and if anybody has any clue on how to retrain these tire pressure monitor sensors, please let me know. I would be very happy to have some information on that. Also, another note, new garage door opener. Okay, I know this ain't part of the, well, it's part of the van, but it's also part not. The home link system for the garage door opener does not want to pair with the new remote I have. It's mind-blowing. You would think it would just pair up just like new, but no, it's just the way it is. Haven't tried the Ford. I'm sure the Ford probably will pair up quicker than the Chrysler. We know how Ford is. They like to make things a little simpler. I want your guys' opinion if I should remove this hitch off the back of the van or just leave it. Don't want the temptation to be towing with the van. Not preferably. Keeps the, I would think it keeps the transmission safe from towing. My personal opinion, a minivan probably should not be towing, ideally, but that's just me. Alright, let me know what you guys think, and we'll have some projects coming really soon, I hope. We'll get the garage warmed up maybe in the next day or two and have some repair videos going on. And as always, please like, comment, rate, and subscribe.